What's going on, everybody? Today is the day that the Mustang comes to live in my garage again. So when I first got the car back from getting painted, the car actually came here first, and then I wound up taking it out to my brother's house because at the time it just seemed like the better place for it to be to work on it. But times have changed, a lot of years have gone by, and we're bringing it home, and we're bringing it home today. We got a nice weather window we can get this thing back here. Unfortunately, my brother and I, we have a trailer, but we took the deck off of it to replace all the wood on it and just haven't had the time to put all that new stuff back on. So luckily there's a U-Haul place kind of down the road from me. I called and verified they do have a car trailer there. So I got my buddy coming over with his truck. We're gonna go recover this thing and finally bring it home. And I can't tell you how excited I am for this thing to make the journey back down here where it'll live in this garage for God only knows how long so I can get it finished. And yeah, the next time this car leaves this garage, she's gonna be driving, hopefully. So we got the board set up over here. And as you can see, Mustang, everything. The list is rather long, so we'll have to decipher through it as we go. I did this kind of the same thing a long time ago. This was my list on the Jeep, and we have checked everything off on it. So basically, it's just going to be the same thing for the Mustang, but it's going to be fancier now because we have a dry erase board. So other than that, I got to go through. I got to get some straps ready. I know the U-Haul trailers have like chains or something on them, but I want to have some more straps just for safety reasons. And yeah, I can't think of really anything else. I got my laptop bag over here with all my batteries because this GoPro sucks, and I still haven't found a replacement for it. So if you guys have any ideas on good cameras out there, drop a comment down below and let me know, because I am in the market for a new camera, because GoPro, you're done. But yeah, other than that, we'll go get the car, we'll bring her home. You guys can tag along, and then once we get back, we are gonna have to clean some of this crap up around here. It is kind of messy, but yeah, my buddy should be here relatively soon, so let's go get the car, man. I can't wait. Let's go. So hey guys, there she is. She is home. She's clean. I still gotta do a little bit more cleaning to it, but man, it feels good to have this car back here in the garage. We can start working on it. So we've got a massive amount of stuff to do to this thing. The list is gonna be quite long, but that's gonna have to be for another video. For now, we're gonna end it off. I gotta run to O'Reilly's, pick up some stuff, and start coming up with a game plan on this. But you know, it's here, it's home. 24 years it hasn't been in this garage, so I can't wait. Just, it cleans up so good for what it is. I mean, sitting out there at my brother's shop the whole time. Yeah, she cleans up real good. So, but like I said, that's gonna do it for this one. Next video, we're gonna start diving into this. We need to make our list up on things we're gonna need to do, where we're gonna start, how we're gonna just plug away at it, really. So for those of you that are new here, thank you so much for following along. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you got a friend, grandpa, uncle, whoever that's got an old project car that they're working on, you feel that they'd like to kind of follow along on this journey, go ahead and share it with them. The more the merrier on this. I'm gonna need a lot of support to get through this one, because this is a big project, and this is way more than the Jeep ever could have been. But you know, I'm excited, so I can't wait. It's gonna be a fun one. So you guys, you know, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.